Hey guys, I am here to talk about TikTok. If you have joined me in the past, I have talked about how to create your username, how to comment back, how to make sure you're always commenting back to your viewers. So today I'm here to give you another step in the whole TikTok world. Something that you should definitely do if you're a beginner. So you've found your niche, you know exactly what you're gonna be talking about. For me, it's hair. So that is what I stick to. I don't go off of hair. I stick and make sure that every single post is somewhat hair relatable. I have tried to do it without a hair post and it just doesn't really do as well. So people are following you for a reason. So give them what they want. I highly suggest if you're just beginning, you need to do at least 3 to 5 posts a day. I know it sounds like a lot, but it really, really isn't, because honestly, the posts that do the best for me are the ones that I didn't even think about. Like it can be anywhere from 15 seconds to a minute max. So you can really do it, I promise you. That helps you gauge what's working and what isn't working. So also it's just consistency. So try 3 to 5 posts a day, okay? That is my whole topic of today's discussion. The 2 things that I'll tell you, the 2 types of posts that you should be doing within the 3 to 5 posts is coming up with original content. So show yourself off, you know, I'm sure you have a funny side. Do something that you think other people will laugh at and bring a smile. To me, TikTok's all about positivity. There really isn't that much negative stuff going on. You want to pull at some heartstrings, so you can do like an emotional one, but nothing is really negative. And that's why I personally love TikTok for that. So come up with originals, do something funny, and just be yourself. Then also use trending music. So do anything, if you see something that's really trending, you can do that, mix it up too with your originals. So you don't want to do just trending post and trending music. Make sure that your voice is also in there. So alternate your posts between original content and trending content. So, and then also if you go to the, it says sounds, you're going to want to go to trending music. That is going to be key for you. If you're going to do a trending song, make sure that you are doing a popular song, not just some random song. You can also go to a post, and if you like it and you see that they're getting a lot of views, then you can actually copy that sound and then make your own video from it. So those are my 2, number 1, number 2, number 3, I don't know. Many tips that I can give you on making 3 to 5 posts a day. So mix it up between original content and trending content. Hope that helps. Bye.